All right, let's kick off this COVID-19 Extra Pounds and join us for a virtual fitness session with Trojan Troy and his client, Evelyn Minor. Troy, good morning.
Hey, Dwayne, how are you?
Not too bad. I was telling someone that you are probably the toughest trainer I have ever met in life.
Oh, my.
But still the best. Still the best.
Thank you so much, sir.
All right, so with COVID-19 going on, what has the workout landscape looked like?
Well, social distancing is a must, right? Protocols is a must at the same time. So we can't be too close to clients at the same time. So we have to put in new measures as trainers moving forward and at the same time staying safe. So that will allow us to get on with our lives as being fit and healthy people.
All right, so I'll go through a few workout things that you do, but I want to know, with the distance happening, how do you still motivate your clients?
Well, the energy is brought across for sure virtually based on the type of trainer that I am, the way that I speak to you, how hard I push you. So it don't matter. For me, it doesn't matter. I'll still push you hard even if I'm on camera. So I'll still get results, whether or not virtually or in person, one-on-one, whatever it is, I'll still get results.
Yeah, I can agree with that and I can attest to that as well. So let's get started. Ava, what will you have her be doing today?
Well, we're going to start off with some rotation on the joints just to warm her up, just to make sure we don't hurt nothing before when we start. So we're going to start with shoulder rotation, face me, shoulder rotation, 5 reps forward and then 5 reps back.
Yeah, I have my mat as well, so
4 and 5.
I'll go
So
through the
you're
workout
gonna
with
join
you.
in?
Yeah, I have my mat, so.
All right, sir. Let's get ready. All right. So we're going to do 5 forward shoulder raises and then 5 reverse shoulder rotation.
All
Then
right.
after that, we're going to twist across the chest for 10 reps. 3, 4, and 5. And then over for 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Turn this way. Okay, it's not that. Too close.
Troy, how important
All
is
right,
it?
so we'll do hip rotation.
How important is it for people to continue to work out during the COVID?
I think it's very, very important. At this point, we all realize that COVID is around and COVID ain't going nowhere for now. So the more we are willing to accept that and willing to move on with our lives, you can't have COVID coming against you. I mean, COVID is here for a while, and we can't do anything about it right now. So we have to learn to adjust our lifestyles and live with COVID. It may sound harsh, but we have to do what we have to do. And at the same time, how I see it, if COVID comes your way, just if it comes your way, you want to be as fit and as healthy as you can.
All right, so let's continue the workout. So we hip rotations.
Right. So we're on hip rotation. Ready, Evelyn? So 5 left, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then 5 right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then knee rotation, hands and knees. So we rotate on the inward motion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 5 on the outside. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, this can't work if me have nothing, you know.
5. Good. So on the right side, we rotate on the ankle on the inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on the outside, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Left side, inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on the outside, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
All right, Troy, what has
so
the reception been like to online workouts?
Well, I've been getting a lot of calls, that's for sure. Some people are still afraid to come in the gym. My time spent in the gym right now, it's not as much as it used to be. Well, obviously, because of COVID, a lot of clients are at home, they're outside doing outdoor workout. They don't want to be inside the gym with other people because they're afraid. But my best bet is right now, that I can advise anyone, make sure you're doing something. Don't just stop for COVID's sake, because COVID is not going to partial anybody. And as we all realize, day after day after day, everyone is different, right? We have different genes, we have different ailments. I mean, everybody is different. So COVID may come along and it may treat you a different way because of your genetics, because of your makeup, because of your mindset,
Yeah,
mentally, physically,
definitely.
emotionally.
So some of
Right.
the workout routines now. Let's get straight into it because we don't have much time. So let's get
Okay.
straight into the workout routines.
Okay, great. That's why I'm here. All right. So we're going to start with jumping jack. Jumping jacks on 25 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Try,
5,
man. I'm
6.
boss.
Getting tired already doing 10,
I'm
10,
tired, man.
5 more, 4 more, 3, 2, 1. High knees. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, doing 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Boss.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, round. Okay, so we're gonna do core exercises, otherwise that I call core condition. So we're gonna line them up.
All right, Troy.
You have
As
a mat
Ava
right
works
doing?
out, while Ava works out, I want you to
Right.
tell me about the other services that you offer because it's not just
Okay.
personal training.
Okay. Excellent. So what it is, I offer a wide range of services. So we talk about, I do massage therapy, I do kickboxing, I teach self-defense, and at the same time, diet coaching, which is very, very important. It doesn't make any sense. We do all of this and not eat right. Over the past year, I've been mentored by my mentor, George Rattray, teaching me day in, night out about this whole eating program. The diet is a major, major part of it. If you don't have the diet going properly, as it should, it's not going to work.
Indeed. All right, we don't have much
It's not
time,
going to
so
work.
can we just run through the core exercise that you have for us?
Okay, good. All right, good. So lie on your back. So we're gonna do 5 reps each position. So we're gonna do crunches, with your knees bent, hands behind the head. 5 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knees up to chest now, Dwayne. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Legs up to the skies now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good. And then we go into leg raises. Put your hands beneath your butt, Dwayne.
Try.
Are you there, Dwayne?
I'm tired,
Yes,
man.
Dwayne? Hang in there, soldier. You're going to win. All right, leg raises. So you put your hands beneath your butt, Dwayne.
Oh,
Ready,
God.
Dwayne?
Oh,
All right, let's go.
yeah.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
All right, Troy, I'm gonna
Break.
leave. I'm leaving it right here because I'm becoming tired. We run out of time.
Okay, I hear
Yeah,
you, sir.
run out, run out of time. So
It was nice.
where can they find you? You're on Instagram? Whew.
Yes, I'm on Instagram.
What's it again? Hudson underscore
Instagram.
Troy.
Yes, my Instagram account is Hudson_Troy. You can follow me on Instagram, where in October be offering a special for 3 months.
Troy, the
It's a
people not going to be able to see you unless you have a stand up, you know.
So in October, I'll be offering a special. It's a transformational program for 3 months that I'm running a special on that program. Where for October, the first October into December, we'll be doing that program. So you can go and follow. It will give you more information right there and then.
All right, Troy. Thank you so much. Ava, enjoy your workout.
He says enjoy your workout. Thanks for having us, Dwayne.
Yeah, not a problem. That's Trojan Troy, fitness expert and dietitian. You mix it all in one, and his client Ava. We have more music publicist Eva out of New York, along with PR Rowe, joins us after the break.